Plant FAQs. Paul's Glory Hosta. What is Paul's Glory Hosta? Few plants bring as much drama to a shady corner as the Paul's Glory Hosta. Its captivating foliage, a vibrant tapestry of gold and green, transforms throughout the season, offering a constant visual spectacle. But beyond its undeniable beauty, Paul's Glory boasts a rich history and surprising resilience, making it a favorite among gardeners like myself. The story behind the name, Paul's Glory, adds a touch of intrigue to this remarkable hosta. Unlike many cultivars with descriptive names referencing their appearance, Blue Angel or Golden Tiara, Paul's Glory leaves the identity of its namesake a delightful mystery. There are whispers of a dedicated horticulturist named Paul who may have cultivated the original plant, but concrete evidence remains elusive. How Paul's Glory came to be. While the exact origin of the name might be shrouded in secrecy, the fascinating story of Paul's Glory's birth is well documented. It all began with a happy accident. This stunning hosta is a spontaneous mutation of the popular Perry's True Blue hosta. These mutations can occur naturally or through human intervention, and in the case of Paul's Glory, the result was a showstopper. The originally blue-green leaves of Perry's True Blue were transformed into a mesmerizing combination of gold and green, securing Paul's Glory a place among the most coveted hostas. What makes Paul's Glory special? So, what exactly makes Paul's Glory such a coveted shade garden resident? It all boils down to a winning combination of factors. Stunning foliage. The star of the show, undoubtedly, is the foliage. The leaves emerge in spring with a captivating blend of blue-green and chartreuse, gradually transforming into a mesmerizing display of gold with a wide, vivid green margin. This color play continues throughout the season, offering a constant visual intrigue. Impressive size. Paul's Glory isn't a shrinking violet. It's a large hosta, reaching a mature height of around 2 feet, with a spread of up to 4 feet. This impressive size makes it a perfect choice for adding structure and drama to shady borders. Adaptability. This isn't a fussy plant. Paul's Glory thrives in well-drained, moist soil and partial to full shade. It tolerates a wide range of conditions, making it a great choice for gardeners who might not have the most ideal shade environment. Slug resistance. A sigh of relief for many hosta enthusiasts. Paul's Glory seems to possess a natural resistance to slugs and snails, those pesky garden pests that can wreak havoc on hosta foliage. How to care for Paul's Glory hosta. While Paul's Glory is a forgiving plant, a little TLC goes a long way in ensuring it thrives and reaches its full potential. Here's what you need to know. Planting. Choose a location with partial to full shade and well-drained soil. Amending the soil with compost before planting will provide essential nutrients and improve drainage. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim for deep watering, allowing the water to reach the roots. Fertilizing. A balanced fertilizer applied once in early spring is sufficient. Dividing. Paul's Glory can be divided every 3 to 5 years to maintain its vigor and create new plants. The best time for division is in early spring before new growth emerges. What to plant with Paul's Glory hosta. Paul's Glory's bold foliage pairs beautifully with a variety of shade-loving plants. Here are a few ideas to inspire your shade garden design. Ferns. Ferns, with their delicate fronds, provide a lovely textural contrast to the broad leaves of Paul's Glory. Consider ferns like lady fern or Japanese painted fern. Heucheras. Heucheras, also known as coral bells, offer a vibrant pop of color with their diverse foliage hues. Foam flowers. Foam flowers bring a touch of airiness with their delicate white blooms. Shade-loving perennials. Hostas like Hosta June with its blue-green foliage or Hosta Francie can create a stunning hosta tapestry. With its captivating beauty, impressive size, and surprising resilience, Paul's Glory hosta is a true garden champion. So, if you're looking for a shade-loving star to elevate your shady corner, look no further than Paul's Glory. This versatile hosta offers a winning combination of low maintenance and high impact, making it a perfect choice for busy gardeners or those new to the world of shade gardening. Whether planted as a solitary specimen commanding attention or nestled amongst complementary shade-loving companions, Paul's Glory is guaranteed to bring a touch of drama and enduring beauty to your garden for years to come.